Hello everyone, my name is Samir Sardana. A news came in for students who are appearing for CMAT 2021. A very important notice here that every CMAT candidate should know that the exam date has been changed, right? It has been postponed, and there's a small change in the pattern of the paper. And that change is that a new section of innovation and entrepreneurship with the 25 number of question and 30-minute additional time is added to the paper, but it is not applicable for every candidate, right? Let me take you through the notice. As per the notice, CMAT 2021 entrance examination has been postponed as AICTE has now proposed changes in the examination pattern. Is this change applicable for all candidate? Is it for all the candidate? No. Why? They are adding an optional section for the entrance examination to be held in 2021 for candidate interested in innovation and entrepreneurship. That means on this change in the paper is only for those candidates who are willing to go for innovation and entrepreneurship program. Students who are not willing for this program are not supposed to do any change in their application form, and they are not supposed to prepare for this additional section also. Uh, so if you have not filled the CMAT form earlier, you can now fill till 25th February 2021. So last date has now been extended till 25th of February 2021. Earlier the exam was supposed to be conducted on 20th of February, but now the last date has been extended till 25th February 2021, and 26th February 2021 is the last date for the payment of the fees. So now, if you are not willing for innovation and entrepreneurship program, do you need to edit the form or do you need to fill the form again? No, right? You're not supposed to do any change in your application form if you're not interested in this program. If you're interested in this program, then there is a correction window that has been made available to the candidates who have filled their form earlier, and now they can edit their application form and you can tell whether you are interested in innovation and internship program or not. If you are willing for this, then you need to edit your application form, and in that case, this will be the new section that you will be getting in the CMAT form, where 30 minutes additional time will be given to you. Okay, now candidate who had applied earlier can opt for this course by editing their application form during the correction window, which will be made available after the closure of this fresh registration. Okay, so once this fresh registration is completed, only then the students who have applied earlier will be able to edit their application form. That means the students who have filled the form but now also want to consider themselves for innovation and internship program, that window will be available to you once the fresh registration is completed. After the closure of this fresh registration, there is another window that will be made available to the candidates who have applied earlier but are also interested in innovation and entrepreneurship program. So these are the changes that you are supposed to know if you are appearing for CMAT 2021. You can prepare yourself with for CMAT 2021 with me on this channel of LRDI Prep, where I am uploading the videos of logical reasoning as well as data interpretation. The links of the videos which are relevant for CMAT exam are given in the description part of the video. I have earlier recorded 100 must-solve quant questions for OMETs, right? That means for CMAT exams like CMAT and NMAT, there's a 100 quant question series that you will find on this YouTube channel, and there's also 100 reasoning question series that you'll find on this channel. The links are given in the description part of the video, and there are also more videos coming up now that the date has been extended. I'll be putting a lot of videos on quantitative aptitude and your logical reasoning exam preparation on this channel. So you can subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.